Hello students, let us continue lesson number 13 and the topic is drought. Drought is a natural disaster that is destructive and leaves its bad effects for a long time. This catastrophe is linked with water and food, which are very essential for the survival of the entire ecosystem. Drought is a characteristic of monsoon climate. This problem arises when there is a little or no rainfall in the year. In the situation of scarcity, agriculture and the ecosystem suffers a lot due to lack of water and the problem of food grain for human beings and fodder problem for pet animals are created. Earlier, heavy casualties used to occur because of starvation in drought, but in modern time, with proper management, casualties can be prevented. Now, steps to be taken in the time of drought. Before the drought, plan according to the available quantity of water, promote drip irrigations, introduce rationing system for the grains. Prohibit banquet to prevent wastage of the grains. Then during the drought, to arrange the distribution of the food grain at subsidized rate, stop the construction work except urgency. Take preventive measure against hoarding of grains and fodder. Then after drought, give priority to future plans of water harvesting work. Plan for buffer stock of the grains to connect the river to stop the water flowing into the ocean. Now, next topic is effect of disaster. Disasters like an earthquake, flood, tsunami, hurricane cause huge loss of life and property at the large scale. It takes years to reconstruct road, houses, public amenities in disaster affected areas. Families who have lost their loved one during disaster are deeply saddened and depressed. Families who have lost their breadwinner face great problem. In a disaster, people who became permanently disabled have a severe problem of rehabilitation. The impact of disaster is seen more or less on all people, but its worst effect is seen on poor and needy people. To reduce its destructive effects on human life as well as its destructive intensity, steps such as precaution, public awareness, and well equipped department should be taken. Some incidents or disasters are man made. If we take precaution or remain alert, such incident can be prevented. Often in times of disaster, instead of being helpful in relief and rescue work, people create obstacles or block the work by stopping their vehicles and start taking videos with their mobile phones. Due to this, it creates a risk for lives of the affected. In such times, we must be helpful to the system in the relief and rescue work. Now, know this Locust epidemic biological disaster. Locust belongs to the insect class. More than 11,000 species are found. It also likes to live in cluster, that means together in group. In 2019 and 2020, it was found in desert area of Gujarat and some district of the edge of the desert Kutch, Banaskantha, Patan. Locust found in Gujarat is known as a desert locust. The locust of this species strikes in millions in the form of cluster. During its lifespan, it eats 1,000 times more of its weight. Wherever it lands in its migration path, it destroys the whole crop of that area by making crop green plant leaves of trees as its food. In the areas where Lucas takes place, a drought like condition occurs due to a shortage of grain. However, in today's time of modern transport facility, grains are imported from another region to avoid its scarcity. The locust can be eradicated by spraying a special pesticide as per the instruction of the Department of Agriculture. Now, student, I hope you understood this lesson. Thank you.